I wanted to give you a few tips on laying beautiful laminate flooring on cement. This is in the basement. First of all, we're using this laminate cutter right here. It slices right through, gives a nice clean cut. And then of course, we've also got these little shims, these pieces and spacers that go right up against the wall, as you can see right over there. Very, very important that you have those. As far as tools go, I would actually not recommend this rubber hammer, and I'm gonna get to that in just a moment. This pull bar right here. And then of course the seam tape, so you can actually put this underlayment together and keep it completely sealed so that moisture coming up from the concrete doesn't compromise the integrity of this floor. Now let's go back to the hammer. So this little rubber hammer, this is specifically a tile hammer. You'll see that it is white. I'm actually gonna tag this. I would recommend this kind of hammer because even if you hit the edge, it does not dent the laminate. Let's take another closer look at this laminate cutter. As you can see, slices right through. Let's take a closer look at that cut. Beautiful. And of course it does extend out if you need that additional leverage. Now it's possible not to use this handy little tool to get to hard to reach places. You can try to use a manual chisel, but this tool makes it so much easier to cut under door jambs so that you can slide your laminate flooring effortlessly underneath. A quick word regarding the underlayment. Now, one of the sides is a sticky side, so it goes over like that. And so you can actually stick them together. However, that seam tape is for if you accidentally puncture this underlayment, you want to cover it with that red seam tape that you saw earlier. Otherwise, that moisture can get under this. It effectively acts as a vapor barrier. Now let's have fun with this tile hammer. You will see that as I snap this laminate into place on the end, so first of all, align it with the end, and then, yes, I'm hitting it directly on the edge. Now, typically that's a no-no because of course you could chip the edge with your hard rubber hammer. But as mentioned before, this soft white hammer is designed for tile and it works beautifully to snap your laminate into place. And in case you don't believe me, take a look at what the hard black hammer does to the edge if you were to try to hit. Yeah, it ruins your laminate. Use the white hammer, people.